Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna talk a little bit about summer. And as you all know, in the summer most of the motorcyclists they discard the jackets, the gloves, the shoes, and they put shorts, slippers, and they ride with no gloves, and I think there is no need for that. We do have summer material. I have some here on the front which I'm going to talk to you in a while, and it does protect you the same as the other material that protects the other stations of the here. Of course, we do have full face helmets. They are not as good ventilation as open face helmets that everyone wants in the summer, but it's an option. It's the most safe option. If you don't want full face, you can go for a modular helmet like this one, which also it's open face, and you can close it like this if when it's more cold, or the traditional open face that everyone uses, which has less protection than the others in case of an accident and if you hit the front. But I know it's summer, but you have to think about your protection. Other thing, jacket. I use this jacket most of the time, Portuguese manufacturer. It's the RSW Motowear, it's the N2 model. It's a nice jacket, it's good for all the other 3 seasons, spring, autumn and winter, because it's waterproof. I do have an inner layer which keeps me warm and everything. It's a superb jacket, but in the summer I wear this one, also from RSW, okay? And this is a summer jacket. It has the same protections as this one. Of course, it doesn't have the waterproof because it's a summer jacket. And I don't know if you can see, this is mesh, and it's very well ventilated, which gives you all the protections that you need to ride in the summer comfortably, okay? And I'm really saying comfortably with this jacket. The other things here, gloves, winter. Thick gloves for the rain and everything. They are not, the hands are not very sensitive with these gloves, but you have winter gloves. And then on the summer, I do ride with better gloves designed for the summer, but I like it when they have hard knocks, okay? I don't like it when it's those, I think it's neoprene things, they just pretend to be protections. No, these ones are strong, and if I hit the floor, I will be protected. So you can find really nice summer gloves to ride. You don't need to ride without gloves. These 2 items here, it's 365 days all the time. Pants, this one, RSW again, the model Peter. They are good because they have hip protection and knee protection. I wear them all the time. It doesn't matter how the weather is, they always go with me. I never wear shorts. And this one here, boots. If you follow my channel, you know that until 3 months ago, I was always wearing Nike shoes and more comfortable shoes, because I had the idea that there are no boots that would be a casual look. I didn't want to go or to arrive to my office and be wearing those big boots, that motorcycle boots that's uncomfortable and lock my feet and everything. I didn't want that. And then I found the Momo design, the Firegun 2 GTX. This boot, it's a casual boot. I like it very much, okay? It's waterproof. I can wear it on the winter, I can wear it on the summer, and it does protect my feet if I fall down when I'm not wearing those flip-flops while riding. So these products here, I do have reviews of them on my channel. You can check my channel. All of these products have reviews. They are really good, and I do advise, if you're riding in the summer, please, I'm not advising an open face helmet, but I'm advising more a full face or a modular helmet, summer jacket, summer gloves. The pants, they are amazing. Guys, these pants, they are really good. And buy some boots, casual boots. These ones, okay, they like, besides being casual, they are comfortable. And I do like comfortable. And on this note of comfortable, I also would be comfortable if you would subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, leave your comments down below what you think about this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!